Well, it depends on the audience, how they interpret the movie. So each and everyone here has a different interpretation on the ending. On my part, as Nico, I think Nico will become an accomplice. He will not have sex because if he'll have if hey, if he's gonna have sex with Jewel, he knows that Jewel's gonna eat her. Now that I have accepted her as a manananggal, maybe I'll become an accomplice. An accomplice, maybe, direct, no? Yeah, an accomplice. I'll try to help her. I'll help her find victims for her. Then we'll continue our love story. Maybe just kissing. Then after that, when she's about to have an orgasm, I'm just gonna give her.
Okay, thank you po.